Hello, welcome back to Campus Tag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take the object from any photo or pictures. So just it's a very simple method. So just go into photos and you can select any photo. Let's say if you want to pick up any object from any photos. So let's go into the recent photos and you'll see I have a few of them. So let's select this one. So this is the airport pictures. I want to take that airport picture out from the from this particular, that particular object I want to take out. So just press and hold. You'll see there's a highlighted things goes around, and now you can see this highlight thing goes moving, which means this particular object has been selected. So just press and hold, and now that object you can share with anything like your social media account, like WhatsApp and all of that, and you can send to the iMessages also. So all you need to do, just press and drop it to the particular application and it will go here right there, and now you can just send with that. So that's easy step. Try that, and if you like this video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video.